Hello guys, so how to fix Discord lagging or not working on any Android phone? First thing, open settings. Now go to the wireless and networks. Go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then you have to wait 5 seconds and disable it again like this. After that, go back, click on the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Or what you have to do here is go to the Discord app like this. Now this is the app informations as you can see. Click here on this forward stop and then go to the notifications management and make sure that all the notifications are enabled like this. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, click delete, and that's it. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.